Easy shopping cart software. All web fortunes choose a good idea, yet not all good ideas produce fortunes. So, do not think just because you're on the web you'll generate millions. If you wish to venture into e-commerce on the internet, recognize that your income are going to be the consequence of perseverance, thorough homework, consistent vigilance, and commitment. The chance that your online business goes viral is about as good as you beating Jordan in the game of horse. It could possibly happen, but not probable. Having said that, this article is basically to guide you in the right direction in order to sell something on the internet beyond merely going to eBay and selling there. These are some of the elements you want to know to set up a web shop. Easy shopping cart software. If you are not an online buff, producing or having a professional produce your own e-commerce website is both pricey and for most applications entirely unneeded. User-friendly shopping cart software is essential if you're planning to take care of your own web store. Look for internet shopping cart programs and you will be in a position to sidestep the whole thought of building and publishing your own internet site. You simply work with the online tools to develop your web store and add your goods. You may also discover the benefit of advertising applications that you really would not otherwise have access to. So bottom line, select an web-based pre-built shopping cart application. Beyond the basic requirements, look for these features: variants, inventory, SSL encryption, security. Should they be provided, then chances are you won't have to worry too much about the basics being included. Variants. Some fundamental items you really need to think about include the capability to have variants, sizes, colors, etc. This is most likely the most overlooked necessity. If you sell t-shirts, for example, you almost certainly do not wish to have to create a new item for each and every color and size combination. A good shopping cart application enables you to create variants for a single product. Not everybody needs variants, but if it's a feature, it's typically free. Just make sure it's included. Inventory also should have the capability to monitor inventory. For those who have a shopping cart solution with variants, you'll need the inventory to keep track of the specific variants too. That's because you might need to know, as an example, the quantity of yellow, small shirts you may have left. In case you do not have that tracked well enough and somebody buys one, what happens if you don't have it? It's just a little bit more of an annoyance that you do not need to cope with. Security. Almost all of the basic shopping cart systems permit anyone to set up a PayPal payment. One step up from this is to be able to carry out the purchase on site. However, you simply can't have people submitting credit card details on your website without the benefit of file encryption. A lot of new e-commerce owners wrestle with this specific requirement. Choose a shopping cart software system which has it built in. You'll be able to find some carts which do not charge additional for SSL encryption technology. This is simply just a short list of things to consider, but ones that we have discovered most neglected when making the decision on what to go with. Generally, if you have satisfied this basic checklist, the various other functions most people have to have will be included. Do your research, nevertheless, and don't think you have to get this done by yourself. Quite a few online e-commerce owners will talk to you and give you advice. Don't hesitate.